three heaters, each rated. There are question number 14. Three heaters rated.
Sir,
Huh?
15th.
14th you have done. एक मिनट कैसे किया था बताओ. Rated 250 watt and what is वो क्या है उसका डायमेंशन. इसका टाइमिंग बहुत लेस है. 100 वोल्ट. 100 वोल्ट.
P is equal
Okay.
to P and
ओके एक मिनट. कैलकुलेट तो कैलकुलेट अब दे heaters are connected in parallel to a 100 volt supply. Say there is a heater. Say there is heater 250 watt 100 volt. There is another heater that is also 200 watt and 100 volt and 250 watt and 100 volt, right? So they are attached in parallel and there is a battery attached with them is of 100 volt. There is a battery attached with 100 volt. This is of 100 volt battery we have. So there what it is asking for? Current.
yes.
So what will be the resistance? Resistance R is equal to P is
P is equal to
you know
VI.
P is equal to
V and
P is equal to VI. P is equal to V square upon R. So R is equal to V square upon P. So we have V square is 100 into 100 upon 250. Right? This 1 0 and 0 is cancelled and this is 4. So it is 40 ohm resistance is there. 40 ohm resistance is there. 40 ohm resistance is here. 40 ohm resistance is here. And 40 ohm resistance is here. Right? Now they are in series. So 1 upon 40 plus 1 upon 40. 1 upon 40 plus 1 upon 40 is equal to 1 upon R. Net resistance. So net resistance is equal to 3 by 40. Right? So R is equal to 40 by 3 ohm. Getting? 40 by 3 ohm. So 40 by 3 ohm is net resistance of the circuit. So now you need current. Right? So V is equal to IR. So I is equal to V upon R. Right? So how much it will be? This is I is equal to V upon R. So I is equal to V is 100. R is 40 by 3, right? So this 3 goes up. So I is equal to 100 into 3 upon 40. You get this? How much you get here? This 0 and 0 cancel out, and this is 2.5. 3 times 2.5 is equal to 7.5. 7.5 ampere current is flowing in the circuit. So 7.5 ampere current is flowing in the circuit, right? So this is first part we have. What second part you have in this?
Resistance 40 ohm.
Resistance, I told you already, we have done this. 40 ohm resistance is having, resistance is, where we
40
gone?
ohm.
Where is?
So
This is we get na. R is equal to 40 ohm. This is the second part. This is the first part. And what is next? The energy supplied in kilowatt hour.
the 3
Energy supplied in kilowatt hour to 3 heaters in 5 hours. In 5 hours, how much energy is supplied? Right?
E is equal
So, net resistance is how much?
3 upon 40.
40 upon 3. Net resistance is 40 upon 3. And current flowing in the circuit is
2.5.
7.5 ampere. Current is flowing in the circuit. Right? So, should I rub this?
Yes.
So, so energy, that is W, is equal to I square RT. I is 7.5 whole square into R is 40 upon 3 into time is 5 hours, right? So this we called watt. I square R is watt, right? As it belongs to P, and this is time we have. So this is, we have, we can write here dot watt, right? Now when we solve this, so this is 7.5 into 7.5 into 40 into 5 upon 3. So this is how much? 2.5, right? So we get 2.5 into 7.5 into 200, right? Now this is how much? 500. 500. 2.5 decimal diaphragm, or this 2 times 25 becomes 50, and 10 into 7.5. How much it is? 0, 0. Now 5 times 5 becomes 25. We get 2 here. or 2 here, and 7 times 5 becomes 35, 237, 37, right? Watt hour. Now we can write it, we can write it as this is 37.5 kilowatt hour. What is your answer?
3.75.
Eh? .75 kilowatt hour.
Yes.
Oh, decimal mistake is there, huh? We do one thing. You know what I do to prevent this? This decimal and this decimal I remove from here. Right. So I get 100. 1 we get 100. Right. Now you have
25.
you 25. 25. We can go like this. 25 fours are, or this is
Tenja.
tenza. So we have 75 into 50. So we get 0, 0. 5 times 5 becomes 25. We get 2 carry. 7 times 5, 35. 2, 37. 37 watt hour. Watt hour. Right. So this 37 watt hour can be written as, silly mistake in calculation we have done here, this will be, so it becomes 3.75 kilowatt hour. So answer, so work is, yeah, energy is 3.75 kilowatt hour. This is the whole solution of the question we have, right? So this you done right in this way only. Huh.
In 5 hours में पहले
You should do like this. Using this formula, you can get, because we already get resistance there. We know the current in the circuit. We have time, so use this formula of energy and get the value of energy. Right? This is, you need 15. Right? You need 15. Okay, great. Should I rub this?
yes.
So, question number 15, a bulb is connected to a battery of potential difference 4 volt, internal resistance 2.5 ohm, a steady current of 0.5 ampere in the circuit. Oh my god. Okay. So there is question number 15 we have. It is saying a bulb connected to a battery. There is a bulb. This is the circuit. This is the this is bulb we have. Bulb is of bulb is,
Connected battery, potential difference 4 volt.
I know that. Yeah, this is connected with the, there is ammeter. Current is 0.5 ampere. Current is 0.5 ampere flowing in the circuit, and potential difference across the terminal of battery is 4 volt. 4 volt internal resistance, small r is how much? 2.5 ohm. 2.5 ohm. This is key, and this circuit is completed, right? Okay, so what it is asking for, energy supplied in 10 minutes. So first we can get I is equal to epsilon upon capital R plus small r, right? So what do you do? 0.5 is equal to, this is how much? Epsilon is 4 upon capital R we do not know, plus 2.5, right? So capital R is equal to
3.
capital R
4.3.
plus 2.5 is equal to 4 upon 0.5, point removed. This is how much? 8 times. So R is equal to 8 minus 2.5. It is how much? Resistance is external resistance. External resistance is, this is external resistance.
5.5
It is 5.5
ohm.
ohm. External resistance is right, is this. Now W is equal to H is equal to I square R into T. I is 0.5 का whole square into R is 5.5 into time is 10 minutes. 10 into 60 becomes 600 seconds. 600 seconds. So this is 0.25 into 5.5 into 600. You remove this decimal from here, take 100 here, right? So what happens? No issue. You multiplied this, and this is, you are getting W is equal to, 26 times 25 becomes 150. 150 into 5.5, right? How much you get? Decimal removed, pen here, this is gone. So 15 into 55. 15 into 55. So 5 times 15 becomes 75. 5 times 75 becomes 7. 5 times 15 becomes 75. 5 times 75 plus 7, 82. 825 joule, right? So 825. What is your answer?
820.
825 joule energy consumed, right? This is part 1. What is next?
Total energy supplied by battery in 10 minutes.
नहीं वो that we have done ना. Total energy supply.
उसका आंसर 1200 जूल आ रहा है.
Yeah, so why not you are telling me total energy
आई
in 10 minutes?
तो आपने थर्ड वाले का निकाला 825 जूल.
ये energy dissipated. If I keep here W is equal to I square RT. So I is 0.25 into 8 into 600, right? Point we have removed, put 30, it becomes 100 is gone. 25, 8 times 25 becomes 200. 200 into 6, 200 into 6 becomes 1200 joule, right? So total energy in 10 minutes. In 10 minutes, energy in 10 minutes is equal to 1200 joule, right? This what we have find here. We have taken R is 5.5. External we have taken here. We have taken resistance as a whole. Resistance of whole circuit. This is resistance of whole circuit. So that's why total energy is 12 joule will be in 10 minutes, right? Joule. And this is total energy. This is external resistance. This is external resistance only. External resistance. So energy dissipated yeah, you are not energy dissipated in 10 minutes, that is energy dissipated 825 joule energy dissipated in 10 minutes. 10 minutes ये डिसिपेट हो गई external resistance है. Here is total resistance, right? This is total resistance we have, and resistance of the bulb is this we have external resistance, right? So external resistance is equal to resistance of bulb that is 5.5 ohm. 5.5 ohm internal resistance, right? तो ये external resistance is equal to resistance of bulb, जो कि externally bulb is there. So this is the whole question you have. Do you understand? Huh?
Yes.
In 10 second, energy flowed in the circuit is 12 joule, which is total resistance we have taken, right? And here we have when energy dissipated in external resistance, that is
External.
external resistance is 5.5 ohm. We use this and we get 825 joule energy is dissipated in 10 minutes, and this is the resistance, or external resistance is equal to resistance of bulb. We got from by this formula calculating and getting the value 5.5 ohm, right? This was question number
15.
this was question number 15. Okay, what which one is left now?
16th and 17th.
Should I rub?
Yes.
Okay, I'm going to rub all this. 16, what is that? Question number 16, what is that?
The resistors A and B of resistance 4 and 6 ohms are respectively connected in parallels.
Two resistors A and B, 4 and 6 ohm respectively, are connected in parallel. Okay, there are two resistors. One is of 4 ohm, another one is of 6 ohm. 6 ohm, right? This is, they are connected in parallel. Then what happens? Parallel. The combination is connected across a 6-volt battery. Negligible. So 6-volt battery. This is, we have ammeter here. This is internal resistance is 0. So epsilon is equal to terminal voltage, that is 6 volt. 6-volt battery is there. Then we have like this. This is key. Now what happens? Total resistance of the circuit will be net resistance of circuit. Net resistance of circuit. Net resistance of circuit 1 upon R is equal to 1 upon 4 plus 1 upon 6. You have taken 12 as an LCM, it becomes 3 plus 2, 1 upon R. So R is equal to 12 by 5. It becomes 2.4 ohm. Net resistance is 2.4 ohm of the circuit, right? What it is asking for, right? The power supplied by battery and power dissipated in each resistor. Power supplied by the battery. So power supplied by the battery is P is equal to V square upon R, right? P कितना है, मतलब V is 6 into 6 upon 12 by 12 12 by 5. like this. So you can get how much? 36 into 5 by 12. 3 times. So this is 5 times 3 becomes 15 watt. 15 watt total power. Total power is 15 watt. Now power by 6 ohm resistor. Power by 6 ohm resistor. Is equal to 36 upon 6. So 6 times 6 becomes 6 watt, right? And power by 4 ohm resistor is equal to 6 square, same formula, 36 upon 4. It becomes 9 times. So 9 watt. Do you get?
Yes.
9 watt power is consumed by this. So
इसमें -9 watt और
no,
minus
वो डैश लगा हुआ है, not minus. ठीक है? So this is consuming 9 watt power. 9 watt power dissipate, right? And this is consuming 6 watt. 6 watt power dissipate. Right? You get this? This is question number 16 we have. Okay, what next you have? Should I have something more?
No.
This much is only, na?
Yes.
Total power supplied is 15 watt and in registers 6 and 9 watt. Fine. Now we have 17. Should I rub this? What is that? Question number 17. Question number 17 is a battery of EMF. Epsilon is how much?
15 volt.
15 volt. Now internal resistance
2 ohm.
2 ohm. External resistance
4 ohm and 6 ohm. Connected.
series. So R1
Plus R2.
plus R2 is equal to 4 ohm plus 6 ohm. 4 ohm plus 6 ohm becomes 10 ohm net resistance. है ना? So external resistance is 10 ohm. Series. Find the electrical energy spent in 6 ohm resistor. Very nice. EMF दिया गया. So I is equal to epsilon upon capital R plus small r. Epsilon is how much? 15 upon external resistance 10 plus 2. तो 15 डिवाइडेड बाय 12, ये कितना हो गया? 5 times 3 becomes 15, 4 times 12 becomes, right? So I is equal to 1.25 ampere. Huh? Right? Now current when they are in series. So potential difference V is equal to, when they are in series, na, in which resistance we have to find? In which resistance?
Power dissipated.
In which resistance we have to find the power dissipated? I hope you are looking some other question. I hope 6 ohm resistor. 6 ohm resistor. So V is equal to IR. I is
1.25 ampere.
अगर हम इस मतलब if we take 15 by 12 into resistance is 6 ना,
Yes.
6 ohm, 2 times it is 7.5 volt. 7.5 volt is 7.5 volt टर्मिनल वोल्टेज होगा. ये V1 है. V2 कितना हो जाएगा? I इंटू R2 था ये I इंटू R1 is equal to 15 by 12 into 4. It becomes 3, 5. So 5 volt, right? अब voltage drop V is equal to IR. So I is how much? Internal resistance is 2, na? Current
Yes.
flowing in the circuit is
Internal resistance is 2.
1 point current flowing 1.25 into 2. It is how much? 2.5 volt, right? So sum of all this is how much? This is what? This is terminal voltage. Terminal voltage, right? So
15.
epsilon is equal to terminal voltage plus voltage drop. So this is 5 plus 7.5 becomes 12.5 plus internal resistance 2.5. So it is 15 volt. Is it correct?
Yes.
It means it is correct, right? What do you have to find? You have to find the energy. This was I was cross checking it, right? Now we want energy dissipated by 4 ohm resistor, है ना? So energy can be find out. Energy registers in 4 ohm resistors in how much time?
No, sir. Per minute in 6 ohm resistor.
Per minute. It's 6 ohm resistor ना, तो per minute मतलब 60 seconds. तो energy dissipated dissipated
तो इसमें dissipated किलो है.
by 6 ohm resistor, 6 ohm resistor H is equal to I is 1.25 whole square into R is 6 into time is 60. You get this? So how much will be? This is joule. This is we are getting in joule. Huh? So 1.25 into 1.25 is how much? Do you have? Yes. This is 1.25 into 1.25. It is 1.5625. Right? It is 1.5625 into 60 joule. Right? Now this is multiplied by 60.
6 हमने स्क्वायर को 6 से भी इंटू किया. 1.25 square into 6 into 60.
Oh, so it is 6 into 60 becomes 360. It will be 6 times 6 becomes 36, na?
Yes.
So it is 360 joule. That's why I am saying why I am doing wrong. So this is, so energy is coming how much? What is? Oh. ये हो जाएगा 562.5. What? 562.5 joule energy. By 6 ohm resistor. What is your question? Answer.
Correct. 500.
562.5 joule energy is consumed. So this is how we can do this question. Something was extra. This was not required. This voltage drop, potential difference in say first resistance, and we not only we only get this. What potential difference is? Actually, we are using. We do not want all this. We do not want all this. Energy is H is equal to I square RT. I is given to you or not? I we have find. I we have find. After that, directly you can go like this. Right? This I was just gone and checking if we are doing correct or not. Right? This is 7.5. This is 7.5 volt and 5 volt. It is 12.5. That is different. This I you can use. I we have used. Ohm resistance is given 6 ohm resistance. So 6 ohm resistance and per minute means 60 minutes, 60 seconds. We multiplied all this and we get it. Right? This is the solution of the question we have. Any other question you would like to ask?